friends, it's me, Rory the Cat. Welcome to our happy farm. I love meeting new animal friends. Do you want to meet them too? Look, it's our fluffy sheep. They say ba and give us super soft wool. It keeps us warm in the winter. And here's our silly pig. He loves to play in the mud. He says, oink, oink. Pigs are so much fun. And what about our big cow? She says moo and gives us yummy milk for our cereal. Thanks, cow. Oh, and our noisy chickens. They say cluck, cluck. And give us eggs for breakfast. What an amazing job! And their friend, the rooster. He says cock-a-doodle-doo to wake up the whole farm in the morning. Wow, we met so many amazing farm animals today. We have the fluffy sheep, the silly pig, the big cow, and the noisy chickens and rooster. I can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Remember, every animal has a special job on the farm. What's your favorite farm animal? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now.